Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are looking for internship at Google, so this is the right video for you. Yes, today we are going to discuss the Google on internship for the PG graduates and for the student researcher. Okay, this is also for PhD. If you are doing a research, then definitely you can apply this. Yes, so before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe here. Okay, and here you can find useful playlist, that is skill up playlist, which is I'll be updating about all the internship opportunities, new courses, free courses, and also job opportunities, everything here in the skill up playlist. Go and watch that. Follow me on Instagram. So it's also Goms Tech Talks that you can find it. Just go ahead and search, or else the link is in the description. If you require any personal guidance, like if you want to know what is the certification best suits you, or how to go ahead with the internship, any queries related to your technology, technical, your career, you can just schedule a call with me here. The link is in the description. Connect with me through the LinkedIn. So that LinkedIn link is also there in the description. Okay. You can just go and search for Dr. Gomati S. So yes, this is what the one which I wanted to talk to you, that is Student Researcher PhD 2024. So the Student Researcher Program primary objective is to foster academic collaboration with the student through research at Google. Okay, so this is like a paid student researcher position which offers the opportunity to work directly with the Google research scientists and engineers on research projects. So I will be explaining like what are the qualifications, how to apply and everything. So watch till the end, wait till the end so that you will know more this. Okay, so the Student Researcher Program offers more opportunity for the research students to work on critical research projects at Google in a less structured way. Okay, it also provides an opportunity beyond the limitation of traditional internship program and on aspects such as duration, time commitment, and working location. Like they have options for both on-site or remote. Okay, so the Google research is building the next generation of intelligence systems for all Google products. And in order to achieve this, they are working on projects that utilize the latest computer science techniques developed by skilled software engineers and research scientists. So what is the eligibility criteria? So either you should be enrolled in PhD or the master's program. Okay, you might be in ME or MTech, MS. So you should be in a master's program or a PhD. You should have enrolled in the PhD thing. Okay, and you should have experience in any of these things like computer vision. So you can see here that you should have experience in computer vision, computer science, deep learning, neural network, machine learning, data science, and machine learning intelligence. So these are the preferred qualifications they are expecting. So you should have currently enrolled in a full-time degree program and returning to the program after the completion. So that is after completing this internship, you should go back to your regular college work. Okay. So experience as a researcher. Example like internships or full-time or at a lab. You should have some experience as a researcher. Experience contributing to research communities or efforts. And you should have any general purpose programming language understanding, any one, like either C or C++ or Python or Go or MATLAB or Java. Something should be there, and ability to design and execute research agenda. Okay, so if you wanted to know what is a research agenda, just comment research agenda. I will be helping you. If you are an ME, MTech, MS, PhD or any research student, you can just go ahead and apply. Even like if you want to just apply and see how it works, you can just go ahead. Okay, so this is the primary objective of this, and these are all the responsibilities of a student researcher. Okay, so you should participate in all these Google activities and everything. Got it? So what is the benefit? So if you are participating in the Google Student Researcher, this offers a multitude of benefits like mentorship. You will be working closely with the experienced Google researchers to gain invaluable insights and guidance. The second important thing is skill development. You can enhance your technical expertise, problem solving abilities, and research methodologies. You can build relationship with the industry professionals and expand your professional networking. You can gain a competitive edge in this job market and open doors to exciting career opportunity as well. contribute to the groundbreaking projects that have the potential to shape the future of technology. So the primary roles and responsibility of any student who wanted to go here is what the real world, large scale problems and focus on computer vision research for building climate solutions. The location is in Bangalore, Karnataka. So if you are in and around that, you can just go ahead and try it. Okay. So what are the tips you have to go ahead with? What just find whether your resume is ready for this. Okay. Showcase all your research experience. If you have published any of your previous research somewhere else, so you can definitely show that. Okay. You can just show that specific research proposals or research whatever you have submitted, and you can list all the certifications whatever you have completed. Okay, just do the research certifications and you can add that as well. If you have involved in any of the hackathon or any of such competition, you can also add that. If you require any specific guidance, you can just schedule a call here. Okay, like how to write a resume for the internship or even for the job, you can definitely schedule a call with me here. Okay, and the thing is what, like, you have to good enough to talk about your internship or whatever the work you are doing so far. Okay, you should have that ability to talk more about whatever you have done. Okay, it's very simple as you see here. Okay, so simply go ahead, you have an option called apply. Just click here, apply. It will ask you few like basic things. You have to just enter all your details, so directly you can go ahead and submit your details here. Okay, so if you haven't created any of your profile in Google, it's good to go and create a profile in the Google, and then you can directly submit your informations there. You have to upload your resume, you have to add your educational qualification, whatever is provided to. It's like normally it will be asking whatever is there in the resume, they will be asking you. Okay, you have to submit all these things. So that is what required from Google, and this is what required for all the internship program. You have to be ready with a cover letter. You have to be ready with the the letter of reference. Okay, so I have already discussed about the letter of reference here in the Skill Up program, and this link is there in the description as well. Okay, so you can go ahead and watch it. So here you can see, and if you just scroll down, so you can find the letter of recommendation. You can see a lot of free opportunity, like free courses, and you can see a lot of things here. Okay, in this particular playlist here, you can see student recommendation letter. How to write the student recommendation letter here, you can find it here. Okay, so this is what important for you to apply. So they will be asking some basic questions. You have to fill in the career profile, role and information, voluntary self-identification, and review. Finally, you have to review, upload the resume and submit it. This is all about the Google Internship program. Okay, so the Google Student Researcher Internship is a transformative experience that can propel your career in technology. So just check whether you are meeting this eligibility criteria, submit the application and follow the guidelines, and you can increase the chances of your securing the opportunity. And don't forget to showcase all your passions of research, highlight the accomplishment, and demonstrate your potential to contribute. You may get a call from spammers asking you for the money. Don't give any money for internship. If you are paid by them, then okay. If they are asking you to pay for internship, don't go for that. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Stay tuned. I'll be talking about another exciting internship opportunities soon. Bye-bye.